Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 2002 Kolkata Mint, 5 rupees, 100 rupees. Asian Games Mumbai Mint, UNC condition 200. 82 Kolkata 200. If you want set, 300 rupees a set. 2002 BU condition Noida Mint 300 rupees each. I have 3. '84 Mumbai 1 rupee, 100 rupees each. Rural Woman Mumbai Mint UNC condition 100. Indira Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC 100. Grow More Food Mumbai Mint UNC 200. 200 rupees each. I have 3. Subhash Chandra Bose Kolkata Mint UNC condition 100. Commonwealth Games Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 200. Grow More Food Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200. I have 2 this, 200 rupees each. Indira Gandhi Kolkata Mint UNC condition 100. 100 rupees each. This has a mild rotation. 1966 Dot in Diamond for 300. Quit India Mumbai Mint UNC 200. Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata UNC English Legend 200 each. Sri Aurobindo Mumbai Mint UNC condition BU condition 300. UNC condition English Legend Nehru Mumbai Mint 200 rupees each. '2004 Hyderabad Mint UNC 200. 96 Noida 200. Water for Life Kolkata Mint UNC 200. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida UNC 300. Rainfed Farming Mumbai UNC 300. 1998 Noida 100 each. 1995 Noida Mint 200. 2006 Noida Mint UNC 300. 1967 Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition rare coin. This is 500. Care for Girl Child Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj UNC condition Mumbai Mint scarce coin only for 200. Ekam 21 Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500. Care for Girl Child Security Edge variety rare BU condition 600 rupees. Railways Hyderabad Mint BU condition 400. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU condition 200 rupees each. Aurobindo Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. 1990 Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, Dabbo coin, very scarce coin, only for 500. Arabindo, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, only for 300 rupees. Santa Tukaram, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300 rupees each. Kamraj, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 400. 400 rupees each. 1990 Noida Mint, 200. Arabindo, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 400 rupees each. I have 4 to 5, all Noida Mint, UNC condition, 400 rupees each. Tourism Year, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Arabindo, Noida Mint, this is a sea lion variety, rare lion, this is a sea lion, for 400 rupees. Scarce, this is very scarce. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 500 each. You can see this is a little dark luster, light luster. You can choose whichever you want. JMUNC, Food and Environment, Noida Mint, very scarce coin, for 800. This is also JMUNC, Noida Mint, this is for 700. Dr. Ambedkar, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 500. 500. This is 600 with rotation. Santa Daneshwar, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Supreme Court, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, 300. 1995 B Mumbai Mint, this is A lion, rare coin, this is only for 500 rupees. This is not available so easily. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 500. UNC 500. BUNC 600. Biodiversity, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 400. Quit India Movement, GEM UNC condition, 700. 2 I have, 700 rupees each. ICDS, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 600. Biodiversity, one more is there, BU condition, 400. Shastriji, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 300. 300 rupees each. I have 2. Santa Tukaram, Noida Mint, BU condition, 400. ILO, Noida Mint, AUNC condition, very scarce coin, 300. Extra fine condition, Mother's Health, Noida Mint, very scarce coin, 400. This is also extra fine condition, 400. Mother's Health Mumbai AUNC condition 400. See the mother's face and everything is legends, everything is clear, you can see. ILO Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition 500. Very scarce coin, that is. Care for Girl Child extra fine condition Hyderabad Mint with proper star mint mark, only for 500 rupees each. $95 Noida A lion variety rare lion, only for 500 rupees. 94 Noida rare A lion variety, 500 rupees each. Small family BU condition 500. Food for Future Kolkata Mint UNC condition 800. Mother's Health Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition. See the clarity, all legends, everything is, details are clear. Check everything. See the luster. Only for 600 rupees. Die crack, you can see the die crack here. Noida Mint Tamil Conference. This die crack is year to year, from year to year. Only for 900 rupees. See the die crack. Only for 900. Today I'll give it for 800. If you want, you can take it for 800. Forestry Kolkata Mint Gem UNC condition, only for 700. ILO Mumbai Mint UNC condition 500. 50 years of independence Kolkata Mint UNC to Gem UNC type of condition. Very scarce coin this is, only for 400 rupees each. Tamil Conference Noida Mint UNC condition, only for 600. ILO Noida Mint UNC condition 700 rupees. Rural Woman Kolkata Mint Gem UNC condition 300. 1989. To get this also in this condition very difficult, and plus this is a die doubling coin. You can see double star, double 1989. Hope I can show you all. Just a minute, I'm showing. This common coin only sells for 600 to 700. I'm giving it for 700 only, normal coin price. And in BU, that also rare in this category, only for 700 rupees. 1959 Mumbai Mint Gem UNC 25 paise. See the luster, only for 600 rupees. Someone wants to add higher quality, this is for 600. If you want, I have, yes, extra fine also, means not extra fully extra fine, it is better than extra fine only for 200. This is for 600 rupees Gem UNC. Agri Expo Kolkata Mint Gem UNC coin rare. This is the clear lion variety. You can see the lion is clear. only for 1800 rupees. Rare coin this is, plus when it is clear lion it is more rarer. Subhash Chandra Bose, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, only for 700. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, clear lion, 400. One more is there, this is UNC condition, this also clear lion, 500. One is for 400, this is for 400 and this is for 500. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 700. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, BU condition. This is with the full ghost image. You can see the ghost image, full face, body. You can see only for 800 rupees. United Nation, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700 rupees. United Nation, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This is also for 700 rupees. You can choose whichever you want. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition. Very scarce coin with clear face, clear lion face. You can see the lion face, only for 1500 rupees. You don't get this coin with clear lion. Very small amount of produced in clear lion face. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 800. BU condition, 800. 800. Black Beauty, UNC condition, only for 300. $57 Kolkata, first 25 paise for 300. $59 Kolkata, 200. $59 Mumbai, 200. This one lion set is there. BUNC set, this is 1970 Mumbai Mint. You can see the small lion, the big lion. Both are Mumbai Mint, only for 500 rupees set. These three coins are there. These are sharp weight variety. See this, Bolu, Noida Mint, and Supreme Court, Noida Mint. These are like early strike. You can see the hexagon, sharp hexagon, and sharp details, letters, everything. These are early strike, and this 2002 very scarce Noida Mint. This all three for, see the hexagon, all clear details. This all three for 1000 rupees. In normal coin price only I am giving. I am not charging extra for this. On all are AUNC to UNC type condition. Louis Burley, Kolkata Mint, first strike, rare coin, only for 1000 rupees. Pig variety, 1911 Kolkata Mint, rare coin. Check the pig. Clear pig variety. You can see the clear pig, and details you see, crown detail, face, everything is clear. To get the clear detail is very difficult in this coin. Most of them are all worn out. Only for 5000 rupees. See the clear details. 1911 Kolkata Mint. Khadi and Village Mumbai Mint error coin. This is a BU condition, rare coin. This is a ghost image coin. You can see in the border there the ghost image. Full border is a ghost image. You see this round. Only for 1800 rupees. Only 200-300 rupees more. That's it. For error. Very beautiful coin. BU condition. Rare Khadi Village steel. Parliamentary 1993 Mumbai Mint. UNC condition. Only for 900 rupees. AUNC condition. 50 years of United Nations Fat Lion. AUNC condition. Only for 1200. Agri Expo UNC condition, rare coin, Mumbai Mint for 1000 rupees. Small Farmer Kolkata Mint UNC condition, rare coin, only for 1200. Veer Durgadas UNC set coin, Mumbai Mint, only for 3200 written. I'll give for 3000 rupees. See the diamond mint mark. It's a rare coin. 1947 Lahore Mint UNC condition, 1200. This little black spot is there. Otherwise this coin sells for about 2000 rupees. Tilak Ji BU condition, Mumbai Mint. X rare coin this is. Only for 7500 with clear lion. See the lion. It's not flat. All details are there on the lion. Only for 7500 rupees. Some 50 paise. 1968 Kolkata Mint, 300. 1962 Kolkata Mint extra fine, 200. 1971 Kolkata Mint, 100. 70 Mumbai Mint, 100. 61 Mumbai Mint, 200. 64 Kolkata Mint extra fine coin is single mint coin. This is 200. 63 Mumbai Mint, 200. 69B, 300. 62B, 200. 67B, 300. Some Mahatma Basveshwar coins I have. UNC condition. 1 second, I'll open it. UNC condition coin this is. 6 coin for 400 rupees. ₹400. And friends, I have some this lot coin, fisheries, some Kolkata, Hyderabad all mix. And this is World Food Day 20 paise, Happy Child, and this is 50 paise sum. And here the 5 rupees, Noida Mint 50 years, ILO Noida Mint. This is Hyderabad Mint, Food and Environment. And here all Noida Mint ka. See this. Happy Child. All this is all mixed coin. Only for this Happy Child is Hyderabad Mint, some one of this. It's all for only 1200 rupees. This Happy Child is a very rare coin. Hyderabad Mint. Only for 1200 rupees all. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.